It's our first water break on the trail out of this fantastic flowing little creeker. You having fun yet?
Yep.
Now what about your armpits?
My sweat smells like cedar. Smell.
That's fucked up. Okay, fine.
Smell it. It's not bad. Smell it. I don't think it's bad.
Oh, Nora, you smell bad.
It doesn't smell like cedar wood.
I don't know. What does my armpit smell like? Does it smell like cedar wood?
Smell it.
Anyways, shit you do on the trail.
It smells like wood.
Creeks, woods. That's the trail. It's actually going uphill and you really can't get the full effect of it on this video. But ask Nora, is that going uphill?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been going uphill. We're about 1.6 miles from the top of Mcafee, where we're going to eat salami. I'm going to eat my whole food bag. Okay. I know. You just climbed your first mountain, buddy. I know videos can never do this justice. You gotta see it with your own eyes, man. Look how small those houses are down there. Okay, ready?
We made fire.
Oh, it's recording.
No gasoline. Wait, I gotta get it right. Ready? Sit bad. Dual purposes. Why they drown?
Oh my god. Oh shit!
Oh, don't bring your journal. Sit bad, my box. Sticks.
Hang on.
We need sticks.
Fuck. Hold on.
Want a little over here.
Okay. Is my phone still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Look, I got a big stick.
My ass crack is hanging out. Look at it. I got a big.
Here, give me this. Oh. Okay. Are we
These
recording?
ones are really bad. Ow! These ones are... Sit bad. Ah! Yeah.
Boy!
Peace. I feel like the Incredible Hulk.
Oh shit. Our filming station. I don't know how you did that.
I like that. Sit bad. Let's make fire go that way. I'm trying to make this branch do the split.
Dude, just here.
Happening.
Just put it on.
Yeah.
Just lay it on top. The fire's over here. Oh, we're done. We need battery. Our first fire on the trail. It's like a log house. Big little log house to big log house. Hi, Nora.
Hey.
And we're sweating because that took a lot to make a fire.
Yeah. We're hot now.
I'm starving again. And I just put the food bags away. Isn't that beautiful? Yep. In the middle of nowhere.
With no
Water. Just me and Nora in the woods. We heard a bear getting... We heard a bear getting water. Water's way far away, like 0.2. That's our fire. Okay, so this is the trail for Nora and I. Before we hit a descent off Tinker, just gonna go follow these white blazes. Watch your step. Down these. Hi. Good. How are you guys?
Good.
Okay, probably a bad place to film. Okay, stopping filming now. So, our campsite for tonight, night 2. We were going, there's Nora over there mending a bad blister. Fire going, our little picnic table. We were gonna go all the way to Daleville. We're just gonna shoot another 9 off our other 9 we did, 9.8. But we got half a mile up trail. There's the trail, there's the AT marker. And I was like, do you want to go back to that campsite? Like, it's kind of too good to pass up. And like, it's raining on my head right fucking now. And so, sorry, it's raining a little bit. Sprinkles, uh-oh. So, this is why it was too good to pass up. I will give you a tour of what we have and what my tent is next to at Nora's. So we have this river, right? But this amazing part of this river is we found a swimming hole right here with a little waterfall in which Nora took a little bath, and so did I with my clothes on, because like that was weird, and it's very cold and deep. So this is how close we are to this. So that is why we couldn't pass it up, and this river flows all the way down. And it was just too amazing to go, yeah, let's just get up at 5:30 tomorrow and shoot to Daleville by 10 a.m. And then get our resupply, and then we'll be heading out probably Monday afternoon and shooting 11 to a shelter. So we had quite the climb today, a couple of them, the ledges and Tinker Cliffs. So it was very rocky, very ledgy. Nora's blister is gnarly. I'm going to take a little video. Nora, let me see your heel now that we took our iodine patch off of it. I'm mending it up. Ew, look at that. Oh, it's so gross. Oh my god, you totally have sack lines. Oh my god. Nora, that is such a bad blister, bro.
Dude.
So bad.
I think I've had one that bad.
Well, so Nora's home. Your home. Oh, my home. No home.
Little huts.
This is my little hobbit hut compared to Nora's palace hut. Hobbit hut. Love this tent.
Look at that. Is that
Had it on my through hike in 2017. I will never give it up. What's in there?
a ladybug?
Oh, I found a spider in there.
It's a real ladybug.
A real ladybug?
Not one of those
Ladybugs are good luck.
fake ones.
Means we'll make it to Daleville. Did you feel those sprinkles? That's huge. Look, we gotta climb that tomorrow. I think it's little,
Oh my god, I
but
did feel it.
I'm telling you, it's sprinkling. I should probably put our rain flies down. I'm going to. All right, peace out. I gotta go rain fly our tents. I'll let you guys see a little bit. Nora's back here. I think she has a little stress fracture in her foot. She's got a horrible blister, so I gotta get her to Daleville. So I'm trying to pace her and keep her going. So I have music in her ears. And I said, North Main, let's go. So, this is a little bit of the trail. So I thought I'd show you. Doesn't do it justice, but we're going downhill. So this is part of the trail leading to Daleville. Yesterday we saw a bear pretty close. It was like 7 feet from me. And it lifted up. I said, Nora, bear. And Nora went to go run. I was like, no, stay put and sing. Anyways, it's about 7 to 10 feet from us, but all of a sudden you see this big black butt just running. After she got off her hind legs and realized that I'm bigger. Yeah, probably I'm not bigger, but she was just like a little big Saint Bernard with big teeth. Anyway, so this is part of the trail. And it's pretty actually cush on your feet today compared to the last couple days. So we're heading to Dalesville, resupply a little bit, get Nora a shower, and then don't tell her this, but we're heading out at 7 tomorrow morning because we got to get to Glasgow to Staminals. So that's a 4-day stretch. So she's not sleeping in. She gets her little cush night, and then we're out rolling for 4 to 5. My ankles never felt better. Dr. McKenzie did an amazing job on it. Thank you, Bellin Health, of course, because I didn't even feel this good when I was out here the first time. So I'm struggling. We have to close on a house on the 27th, and I so badly want to go to Maine and finish. Oh shit, I should probably slow down. Nora's way back there. All right, peace. It's time to smoke a cigarette while I'm waiting. Good morning, everybody. And then, hey Bert. Hey Bert. Okay, back to this. Sometimes the trail is like this. And then, if you guys can't tell from my angle, but it goes straight up. The peak. Straight up. And you just climb straight up till you hit some peak. So, sometimes the trail is like this. Nora's way back there somewhere. Just wait here for her. Thought I just saw a bear. Pretty sure. Okay. That's the trail now we're on. We're 5 miles outside of Daleville, so we should be there pretty quick. Nora's foot's really hurting, so got to figure out what to do with her in Daleville because I think she might have a little stress fracture. But on her foot, I remember when I hiked, I had shit, I don't know, what was it, 6, 7 of them going all through both my feet before I came home, so they kind of suck. Okay, so Nora and I are taking a video of this because, and I'm going to see if I can do this. This is the fucking trail, right? So, see that white big rock? Oh, we're going to be doing this for a minute. Yeah, I probably shouldn't video while I'm trying to go down this bitch. But, that's just an example of what the Appalachian Trail is, but we're riding a ridge line. So, peace out. We're 2.5 miles from Daleville. Yeah. Three Pigs barbecue is closed. I'm so, sad. And the pools aren't operational because of COVID. That's sad, too. And it's raining, but that feels so good.
But we can find a river.
We're not sad about raining. We'll find a river. And we heard a Mexican restaurant's open, so that's cool. All right. Peace out. See you in Daleville. Signing out. Mandy and Nora. Oh, Big Rocks. I'm Big Rocks. She needs a trail name.
I know.
I think I'm going to call her Bull. She charged like Bull. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so sometimes this is the trail. See Nora? She's up there. Wah! Oops. Trekking poles. Hanging on. So, it is very cool. It's meant for little feet. So, this goes on for ways, apparently until we get into Daleville. So, I'm going to step down because I sprained my ankle on a railroad track. Remember, this morning I was like, ankle feels great. Seems as though whenever I say that, I twist it. So, I've been a little hobble along for a little minute, and we are almost to town.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. I gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most, yeah. just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, yeah. Keep on moving, keep coming, keep the faith, baby. It's all about the climb. Keep your faith, keep your faith. Whoa.
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes, we'll have driven through the state. We'll have driven through the night. Baby, come on. If the sun don't shine on me today, and if the sun